I bet you didn't know that bird flu could cause the next big pandemic. Let's dive in. The H5N1 bird flu is spreading fast among birds and could jump to humans. Experts like Dr. Fauci and Dr. Sarah Gilbert warn that we need to act now. Severe symptoms include coughing, fatigue, and even pneumonia. With a 50% mortality rate, this is serious stuff. Governments need better testing, vaccines, and farm safety measures. Let's learn from the past to protect our future. Stay informed, stay safe, and stay